Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to enable or disable this show desktop icon from our Windows 11 taskbar. Here is our icon. First we see our icon. I go to here, and whenever I click at here, it's go to the desktop. I click at here and it's directly go to the desktop. There is one shortcut key also. I open some tabs. And some folder. You can open software or app or any folder and press Windows key and D key on your keyboard. It's minimize your all open tabs or the all open windows. I press one Windows T, it's open it again. I go to here and it's go to the directly to the desktop, and we are going to enable this. This is the our show desktop button. This work also same, and we are going to enable it. That is very easy and simple. Go to the taskbar, right click on the taskbar, click on the taskbar settings. In taskbar settings, go to the taskbar behaviors, click on the taskbar behaviors. Here scroll down, here we find select the far corner of the taskbar to show desktop, uncheck it, close it. Now go to the here taskbar. There is no shortcut for the our show desktop icons. If you want to enable it, then go to the once again taskbar settings, taskbar behaviors, scroll down and find select the far corner of the taskbar to show desktop. Select this, check this, close it. Go to your desktop taskbar, click at here. Here we find show desktop icons. I open some tabs and click at here, and it's minimized our all open Windows tab. So guys, this is the simplest way to enable or disable show desktop icon on our taskbar in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.